Continuing with our study of unity from fear and the United Nations' role in creating a one-world government and a one-world religion, I offer the following excerpt. Citation in the description. Clinton, Rockefeller, and UFOs. Americans were surprised a few years ago to discover that President Clinton supports the theory of life on Mars. His position on this subject was made known in August 1996 during a press conference. At the same press conference, Clinton revealed that the United States was launching an unmanned spacecraft scheduled to land on Mars on July 4th, 1997, Independence Day. While many people saw the Life on Mars announcement on television, few Americans were aware of the fact that it came after the president's meeting with Lawrence Rockefeller in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, the site of the Rockefeller family ranch. Lawrence, in his 80s at the time of this writing, and the only living brother of David, had been urging Bill Clinton to acknowledge the reality of UFOs for some time. These details surfaced in an article printed in UFO magazine, published by Quest Publications in the United Kingdom. The article, entitled Rockefeller Financed UFO Report Sent to World Leaders, revealed that Mr. Rockefeller financed the creation of a special 169-page document on UFOs, which he described to a very select audience, namely heads of state and other key world figures. According to the article, only 1,000 copies of the special briefing were printed, and it will not be offered for sale. The magazine described Lawrence Rockefeller as an environmental activist and venture capitalist who is also interested in the whole area of spirituality. It pointed out that he majored in philosophy at Princeton. The influence Rockefeller wields over Bill Clinton must be substantial, since the president risked public ridicule by making his announcement. Then again, if over 70% of Americans believe in life on other planets, as polls suggest, perhaps the timing of his announcement wasn't so risky after all. His statements, undoubtedly calculated, came shortly after the release of the blockbuster feature film Independence Day, which focuses on the world's response to an extraterrestrial visitation. Interestingly, on August 22, 1996, CNN headline news revealed how humanity would officially respond to alien beings should they decide to visit Earth. According to this CNN segment, which came only days after Clinton's announcement, world leaders would follow a 3-step procedure. First, there would be an international consultation among world leaders. No nation would be permitted to respond unilaterally. Second, a united global response would be given. Third, this response to extraterrestrials would occur only through the United Nations. I sat stunned in front of my television as I learned of these details. I was even more astonished when the same CNN segment revealed that world leaders had reached this consensual agreement for a unified response more than 2 decades ago. This was written in 1998, so that would be 1978 or the mid-70s. Since President Clinton made his statements, a variety of new primetime programs dealing with aliens and the paranormal have been launched on network television. the most popular of these being Strange Universe and X-Files. Is humanity being set up? Are we being conditioned to accept a powerful delusion? The Bible warns of a huge deception that would be thrust upon humanity in the last days. The Apostle Paul prophesied, "They perish because they refuse to love the truth and so be saved. For this reason, God sends them a powerful delusion so that all will be condemned who have not believed the truth but have delighted in wickedness." 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, verses 11 and 12. Could it be that a staged visitation by threatening extraterrestrials will be used to unite mankind under a world government against a common enemy? Or could it be that humanity will be commanded to unite under a global system by these alleged beings who, claiming to be more highly evolved than we are, must know what is best for us and are merely intervening to prevent mankind from destroying himself? Either scenario could work given the gullibility of a godless humanity. Or, what if these beings are real? If so, they would be nothing more than manifested demons, beasts. God could permit such beings to materialize for a period of time because of man's wickedness and rampant involvement in the occult. Sound far-fetched? According to Genesis chapter 6, it happened during the time of Noah. God sent the flood in response to man's out-of-control practices, demonstrated and climaxed by man's direct interaction with manifested demonic beings. In Matthew 24, verse 37, Jesus warned, "As it was in the days of Noah, so it will be at the coming of the Son of Man." Could Jesus' words, among other things, have referred to a global manifestation of demons taking place immediately prior to his return to earth to destroy this occult world order? See 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, verses 1 through 12. Only time will reveal how the remainder of human history will unfold. But no matter what happens on this earth, we can take comfort in knowing that our eternity is secure through Jesus Christ, if we believe on Him.